Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanvi Agarwal and this is a continuation video basically of the part 1 which I created before. So this is gonna be the part 2 of the Instax Mini 11 camera video. So in this video I'm gonna show you that what else I got with the Instax Mini 11 camera. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright, so I have this Fujifilm Instax happiness box, and in this box I have lots of stuff which I can use for the Instax Mini 11 films. So yeah, let me show you each of them one by one. So the number one is this Polaroid cards in which I can just insert my film, and this is the film which I captured in the last video. So if you want to see that how to capture films from Instax Mini 11 camera, you can just watch my previous video and know about that. And I can also hang these photo cards with the help of these clips and rope in my room. So yeah, let me show you that how can I insert the photo inside this card. Alright, so I have total of 10 cards in different colors and designs. So let me just show you that how I can insert the film in this card. There is a gap in between here from where I can just insert the photograph, and it's gonna look something like this, so it's actually really cute. And I can also hang these photographs in my room with the help of this rope, and also there are so many clips inside this. So yeah, this is really cute. So we are done with the cards. Now let's see that what else do I have to insert my films in. Okay, so the next we have these fridge magnets. So I got 5 actually, but I already used 2 of them which were in red and green color. So I can also insert my Polaroid picture in this fridge magnet and just stick it on my fridge. Next I've got this album in which I can insert my Polaroid pictures. I have lots and lots of space in this album, and there is one more space in the front of the album, and I can just insert my picture like that, and you can see this is looking really pretty. So yeah, and I actually have some of my pictures inside the album. I don't want to show, but okay, just a little sneak peek. Okay, so this was the album which I got inside my happiness box. Alright, so last but not the least, I got these 2 plus 2 yani ki 4 packs inside the box, and I have 2 films inside this box. And actually I have used the films from this one. This is empty right now, but I have 2 films inside this box. So yeah, these were 4 packs, that means total 40 films I got inside this happiness box. So actually there was nothing a lot to show in from this box, but yeah, I mean that's all which I got inside the box. And of course the camera which I didn't show you, but I have already shared one whole video of telling that how to use this camera and all the features and everything. So you can just watch that video, and I will link that video also down in the description box, so you can just check it from there. And if you also want to buy this box, I will give a link in the description and you can also buy it from there. So yeah, I guess that's pretty it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.